All right, let's talk about discussion boards inside of Blackboard Learn. They're probably one of the very easiest things to grade. So if I click on my discussions folder over here on the left in my navigation menu, I, as the teacher, can create a topic. So let's do that. And presuming people have watched my awesome butterfly video, let's see, facts about butterflies. 3 things you learned. All right, so that's very simplistic. I could put all kinds of other information in here. If I'm grading something, I also like to put things like 5 points. That's what this assignment's going to be worth, just so the student knows. So my options for this topic are to leave it available, and I don't like to restrict times and dates, so I just leave it available. Under topic settings, right now the default is standard view, meaning somebody can view it and reply to it. However, underneath that there's a button that says if I click it, participants must create a thread in order to view other threads in this topic. So students need to list their 3 things they learned about butterflies before they actually see anyone else's reply. So they can't copy someone else. I said I'm going to grade this. It's going to be worth 5 points, so I'm going to say next to the grading part of this settings, yes. And it says, well, you're going to have to say how many points it is. And I said 5 points. And down here, it is going to show participants and needs grading status after every 1 post. I might choose different number there if I require them to also reply to their peers. I'm just going to leave it at 1 for right now. Other options, sometimes you can want to reset. I'm not going to allow subscriptions to this post, and I'm also not going to allow file attachments. I don't want to be opening and closing file attachments. And so I'm going to say submit. And here's my topic. Now, in my content folder, I could say in my item, after watching this video, please go to the discussions area of our class and answer discussion question number 1 about what did you learn about butterflies. Or I could go to my tools and add a link directly to my discussion board. Booyah. If I do that, I could link to an existing one like this, or to the whole discussion boards page, but I'm going to link to that specific one because this is where it is. If I needed to create a topic on the fly, I could do that by create new topic. However, I'm just going to do this and say next. And do I still want to call it about facts about butterflies? Yes, I do, but I'm going to color code my discussion boards. How about this little sort of green color there? And answer the question butterflies. And I'm going to make this viewable. I could track it, restrictions, blah, blah, blah. Same thing. Submit. This link will take my students directly to the discussion board where they will create a thread and be able to put their reply.